Hi everyone, welcome again to our quiz that I did this week. I did an alphabet quiz A to Z this week, posted on the Facebook page, which will help you learn your A to Z. So on the Facebook page I had 26 questions for each letter of the alphabet and asked you to give me the answers or to get help maybe with an adult to help you get the answers. And now I'm going to show you what the answers are, and I've got a few little things to show you to give you an idea of what the answers were. Okay, now the first question for the letter A was name a common garden insect beginning with A. And the answer was, hopefully you all got it, it's ants. And if you have a look at my book there, I've got a book of animals, and you can see we've got lots of ants. So A for ants. The next question I asked you was for B, a yellow fruit, and the answer of course was a banana. So B for banana. The next question I asked is for letter C, and this was quite hard, is name a building where you watch films or movies. And this is quite hard, beginning with K, and the answer was cinema. So the answer for K was cinema. Question 4, creatures that lived millions of years ago, beginning with the letter D. Duh. Of course, everyone should have got that. Is dinosaurs. And look, I've got a poster with a lot of different dinosaurs on it. Can you see that? So we've got lots of dinosaurs. So the answer for D for duck was dinosaurs. And now I think I've got a big stegosaurus. There you go, D for dinosaur. Question 5 was for the letter E or E. Birds lay these. Ooh, now what do you think birds lay? And of course, birds lay eggs. So the answer to the question was eggs. Next one, the letter F. This was a maths question. The question was 11 minus 7, and the answer was 11 take away 7 is 4. And there it's written for 4. So for letter F it was 4. Next question, oh, this is an easy one. For the letter G, the colour of grass, and I've got some grass out of my garden, and if you can see, grass is green. So for the letter G, in the quiz, the answer was green. The next question I asked you for the letter H was, you wear this on your head, beginning with H. You wear it on your head, and of course the answer is a hat. And I'm going to put my hat on. It's quite cold outside. So we've got H for hat. I then asked you the liquid inside a pen. The liquid inside a pen beginning with I. And the answer is, if you look at my pen, if you look very carefully inside, you can see the blue, and the answer was it for ink. So we've got ink inside. Next question, the 7th month of the year. Now this is quite difficult. So if I go through the months, I've got January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. But I asked you the month that was the 7th, and it begins with J. So it's January, February, March, April, May, June, and the 7th one is July. So J for July. The next question I asked is what you do with a football, and obviously you cut for kicking cut, you kick it. So what you do with a football, the answer was kick it. Next question was for the letter L, la, and it's the opposite of dark, and the opposite of dark is light. So you've got light. So the opposite of dark is L for light. The next question was the letter M, ma, and the clue was something to wipe your feet on. Something to wipe your feet on. And when you come in from outside with muddy shoes, this is what you would do. A mat. So mat for mat. Letter N or na. I gave you the clue. Something you hit with a hammer beginning with na. And the answer was a nail. So nut for nail. Next question was something, a sea creature, which has 8 legs. And the answer is, quite everyone should know this, is 8 legs, and usually it's green, but the one I found is actually yellow colour. So there you go. It's an octopus. So op for octopus. P. The question I asked you was a place that you may go to play. And I gave you a clue that you would find swings and slides there, and it's putt for park. Next one was the letter Q. This is very hard. Q. Another word meaning fast is quick. So if you run quickly, so it means fast. Letter R or R is something you might, you might tie something up with this. And what I found, the answer is rope. So we've got rope. So R for rope. Letter S, sa. Something you stick on an envelope. And I've got my envelope, and what you put on it is sa for stamp. So you put a stamp on the envelope. Number 20, the 20th letter in the alphabet is the letter T, a shape with 3 sides, and it's a triangle, tap for triangle. And there's my triangle, it's got 3 sides, so tap for triangle. Next letter in the alphabet is U or A, and I gave you the clue, something to keep you dry in the rain, and I think everyone knows what this is. It's raining outside at the moment, and it is an umbrella. So up for umbrella. Next letter is V, and I said to you in the quiz, something you put flowers in, and it's a vase, but for vase. So you can put flowers in that. Next question beginning with W is all to do with different parts of the compass. This is really hard. So I gave you the clue, north, south, east, and what for west? West. 24th letter is the letter X. And a picture that shows your bones, and that is an X-ray. So we've got a little boy there, and he's holding his X-ray, and you can see his bones. He's had an X-ray, and that shows the bones inside your body. Next letter is Y or ya, and I said to you something you do when you feel tired, and it's yawn. And last of all, really easy one, and a lot of you might have been to one of these places, a place to see lots of animals beginning with Z or Z, is a zoo. So a place to see lots of animals is a zoo. Well everybody, hopefully you enjoyed that A to Z quiz about the alphabet, and it helped you learn some of your letters of the alphabet, and hopefully we will see you soon, and everyone keep safe, and it's bye from me.